Hey y'all, welcome. This will be my first official video, and I'm actually going to do my hair because I'm going to Colombia. Yeah, stay tuned. So this video will be what they don't tell you about locking your hair, because you're getting a 2-for-1. So before I get started, I'm actually going to put my hair in a knot Babiana. I didn't want to do too much. I'm gonna add some curls, make it look like invisible locks or whatever, but they really mine, like homegrown. Yeah. Number one, what they don't tell you, actually they probably do tell you this, but those first 6 months are treacherous. Okay? They're not for the weak. Y'all, my locks, I started with coils, and literally my locks looked like noodles. You couldn't pay me to walk outside with the noodles. Couldn't do it. Wait, just y'all look at the locks. So because I have different textures throughout my hair, my back two rolls just kept unraveling. First 3 months, I did not wear my hair out. I had a wig on. I did styles. It wasn't giving walk outside with them noodles. But that actually leads me to number 2. Is the face card declining? Is it declining? Because that's when you're going to find out during your first 6 months. See, I'm going to do this whole roll, and I'm going to ask y'all what it's giving. If it's giving, oh, she about to eat the girls up, or it's giving, take that down, friend. Y'all, and I'm going to see SZA. That's my girl. Ah, yes, I gotta go. I had to go. But it's give y'all. Point number 2. Within your starter lock phase, that's when you're going to find out if you're really that girl. If you're not wearing wigs or always styling your hair, you're going to have to pull that confidence from within. When your locks get to thicken up, sweetie, they're not going to go under that wig. And if it goes under that wig, it's going to give Humpty Dumpty. Okay? So you're going to have to start wearing your hair. And you can't rely on that wig to pull it together. Baby, I look good and my hair is this long. You better go get you some big hoops. And you better keep your eyebrows done. Okay? We be happy. Classy. This is also short lock friendly. So in the front where my hair stops right here, I'm actually going to extend them. So keep watching. This is one of my shorter locks, so it ain't really giving knot bob. It's giving doo, 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 doo. Everybody doo, doo. Yeah, that's what it's giving. But it's okay because the top is going to be really knotted and it's going to pull the look together. Things that they do not tell you before locking your hair. Number 3, you're going to love that short lock phase. And I say once you see your hair start budding and it's starting to get thick, you're going to always want to record your hair. You're going to always want to, girl, once you see your hair thicken up, you're not going to want to style it. You want to play in your hair. You want to record, make videos, show your lane check, boomerang. My phone's over here. Lane check, yeah. But I genuinely feel like I'm gonna miss it. And I feel like you will too. You're gonna miss it. Because my hair is growing and growing. It's like, yes, it's growing. Oh my God, yeah. I love to see it grow, but it's like, dang, the bob really eats. The mullet eats, it does. If you're not locked already, you're gonna love it. And if you are locked and you surpass that stage, tell the people in the comments that you wish your hair was so short. I ain't lying. What they do not tell you about locking your hair. Number 4, you will have an aesthetic change. You're going to start dressing differently. You are. You're going to start wearing things that complement your locks better. So I know with my locks, I felt kind of edgy. Like, I'm a black girl. I love black. So it gave edge anyway. But it definitely gave boho goddess, like baggy jeans. I love like baggy, not baggy, but bigger jeans, not skinny jeans, wide leg with a little crop top with the little glasses. And I love putting my hair in a pigtail. and my whatever shoes I decide to put on, because I'm gonna put it on. And I just personally feel like locks do go with everything, but I do believe there are things that complements your locks better. Like, be for real, y'all never had y'all hair done and then try to put on an outfit and be like, oh, I don't like this hair in this outfit. Right. So since this is a permanent thing for us, we can't just keep, oh, I don't like this hair. This is us now. We don't really get to switch it up like the other girls do. So you're, in essence, going to start buying things that accommodate your hair better. And yeah, it's a lot of things that I had prior to locking my hair that I don't wear. And it's just like, it don't give. Like, this and this together don't give. There's something else that hits a little harder. So yes, you will switch your aesthetics. Get you some glasses. I don't know. Because I don't know. The locks and the glasses really be messing them up. They really go up for your girl. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But get you some like big frame glasses. I'm telling you. Y'all look at my little knot. My little tutus. It's coming together to look. What was said? Okay, y'all, we are at the extending part. So as you can see, my locks in the front, I can't knot them because then it would be giving Edna. And that's not the look we're going for. So we're going to extend them with our soft locks. First thing you're going to do is opening bad boys up, because I don't know why plastic hair comes so shiny. It just comes shiny. Just shining. Just shiny. So when you open it up, you actually get rid of some of that little shine. You're taking the lock, and with one end of the lock, you're going to basically set the length for your lock. And this is what I mean. So you're going to take one end and you're going to make it as long as you actually want this lock, right? Say I want this lock to fall like, put it down a little bit. So when I fold it up, I want it to fall like right here. Okay, boom. And don't forget to leave you some room to flip it over for the actual knot. I want a knot ball, okay? So with that other half, you just hold on. This is what I'm doing. You're holding on. Everything is in one. You hold on to it, and you just wrap around. Wrap around. And you wrap all the way down to the bottom. So you run out. Y'all, my hair is like a 2 now. This is a 1. It's okay. Something else they don't tell you is that the sun is going to bleach your hair. All right. Now, take your rubber band. You're going to take the bottom. Any excess hair, you use it to make that end part a little thicker. And then you secure it with the rubber band. Like so. And for the girls with shorter locks that don't have the length to even attach it this low, all you're going to do is take 2 locks for each of your natural locks. Don't forget to open it up. Open it up by the loop and kind of spread this around because you don't want it bulky. But you're just going to add it to your lock and secure it. I would say wrap it maybe like 4 or 5 times, or until the end of your lock is hidden. This is what I'm doing. Just putting it through the hole, pulling it through, splitting it, and just extend your lock like that. So now we just 2-strand twist. Remember, start to twist a little loose once you start approaching that lock hair, and then once you get to it, start twisting tight. So we gotta make sure everything is in one cord. All right. And once we reach the ends of your actual locks, go back to loose. Okay. So you just wrap till you hear your wrap number. And You take care of it. And you secure the bottom. Yeah. Tennis said. Y'all see it coming along. Y'all, I'm gonna style my hair. And he'd be like, I miss my hair. I wanna do my hair up. Child. I don't know how I do it. It's really giving Libby. I need to be asleep. I have hair in the morning. However, I'm going to add some curls. Just a little bit. Not too much. Because it's synthetic and y'all know how that goes. Y'all can see I crisscrossed the top. I was trying to give a little something, something. Oh, no, I did not mean to do that. It was like this one. Okay, other side. I'm sleepy, but I'm fighting. Down on my luck, back against the wind. You can call me too, you too, you too, you too, you too. I ain't gonna lie, I ate this up. I'm trying to be right calm, because I'm in front of this camera, but I would have been gassing. Look, y'all. I'm Colombia ready. I'm gonna put Got to Be. I typically put Got to Be on synthetic hair to keep it stiff and in place. Alright, y'all, I gotta go. It was fun hanging with y'all for my first YouTube video.